showers and thunderstorms through the weekend. They'll be widely scattered. You won't get wet all the time. And there'll still be some heat out there today with a high right around 94, 95 or so. Tonight's low in the low 70s. Tomorrow, a little cooler with a high in the upper 80s to near 90 with an isolated...
Good morning, Estelle.
How about looking, Paul?
It's better. That's better.
Morning, Mr. Edgecombe. Some Danish this morning?
Just 2 pieces of dry toast extra, thanks. Leftovers fine.
Dry and cold, same as always.
Cold is better.
Especially on those long walks. Am I right? Don't let Nurse Godzilla catch you. She'll raise holy hell. You know we're not supposed to let you wander off. Where do you go every day? What do you do up in those hills?
Just walk. I like to walk.
You try not to fall down, bust a hip. Don't want to be no damn search party.